Good afternoon, and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses, and today we're going to do the final planting of cool season crops. So let's get started. Hey, what you're looking at are the final cool season seedlings that I have. I'm going to go ahead and put them out. The Hosinator is actually a bell pepper. It's not a cool season, but I'm going to go ahead and put it out as well. We have lettuce, we have Brussels sprouts, we have Florida broadleaf mustards, and we have tatsoi, and we have some rutabagas. So I'm going to go ahead and put them out, and hopefully these will take root and grow. If you remember, in this bed, we had broccoli, and we harvested them. I cut down the plants and left the roots in to decompose. And I think I have enough space to put the two lettuce plants that I have. This is the crisp mint variety of lettuce. And I'm going to put the other one here. And we put our tag in. Okay, we have two there. We should be good to go. I have never had success growing Brussels sprouts, but I'm going to keep trying until I get it right. In these two containers, I'm going to put two plants each. Okay, we have three in this bed, and we're going to have two in this one. The variety is called the Golden Ninja Brussel Sprout. Here in these 3 buckets, I'm going to put Rutabaga. Okay, we have the rutabagas in, and now we're going to put the Florida broadleaf in. In this smart bag, I'm going to put 2 Florida broadleaf mustards. Actually, I made a mistake. The other ones that I planted over there were the broadleaf mustards. These are going to be the rutabagas. One. Well, let's put 3. Okay, we have the Rutabagas here, and we have the Florida broadleaf mustards over there. In this container, we have 2 bell peppers. The variety is the Hossinator from Hoss Tools. Here we have 2 lettuce. The variety is called Crisp Mint. Here we have 4 rutabagas, and the variety is called, I can't pronounce it. Here, I had 1 tatsoi left, so I decided to put it here. In the 2 large containers here, this one and that one, we have Brussels sprouts. And as I stated earlier, I have never been able to get Brussels sprouts to do anything. They always die, but I'm going to keep trying until I get it right. In this container, this one and that one, we have Florida broadleaf mustards. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we planted my last cool season crops for the year. Hopefully, we'll have some produce and some very good results that I can show you in the upcoming future. If you're interested in any of the seeds that I use, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website, and you can find them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I take this moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and plants by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button rather, and the notification bell, all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. My goal for this year is to try to get to 50,000 subscribers, and right now I'm about 15,000 away. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.